high tech.
Hi, and welcome to WEH Technologies, the inventor and worldwide leading manufacturer of the quickest and safest connectors in the gas industry. The WEH TW54 and the WEH TW57 filling connectors are very fast and reliable tools designed to connect gas filling systems to standard CGA gas cylinder valve outlet threads in just seconds. More than 100,000 have been sold across the globe, and they're working out great. Ease of operation and unique safety features are the core of WEH's successful development history. WEH gas connectors have a compact design, are easy to maintain, and meet the highest requirements of the demanding gas industry. No tape, no thread sealants, no hand tightening. Just push to connect. The cylinder valve threads are locked securely and sealed tightly by the unique patented WEH jaw locking system. An integrated safety peg prevents accidental disconnection while under pressure. The WEH TW54 connects to female CGA cylinder valve outlet threads and is rated up to 4,350 psi. The TW57 has the same outstanding features, but is designed to fit perfectly onto male cylinder threads. A large variety of operating loops and levers are available in different shapes and sizes. The efficiency of your company is based not only on the speed of operation, but also on the quality of your tools. This is why most recognized gas companies worldwide, as well as thousands of satisfied customers, rely on genuine WEH connectors. We have a passion for high-tech tools and the know-how to build them. Attentive customer service is the foundation of our business success. Customers all over the world have stayed long-term with us because we care. Come and join in. Make sure to get in touch with us at WEH.US. Our friendly and experienced personnel will gladly provide you with all further information. Goodbye and thanks for watching.